Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And this is about our entertainment center. So we priced some shelving in a nearby town here in Yucatan, Mexico, Merida, big city. They got everything. And the shelving furniture in general is more expensive in Mexico for anything decent, really. So we actually looked at some shelves at Sam's Club, got one of those, and a Costco, and a bunch of other high-end stores. And our construction guy said he could do it for, cheaper as a built-in. So let me show you what we did in the entertainment center. They took a few days to put these shelves in. So of course the TV is going to go here, which we haven't stuck on yet. And we got these side shelves for, knickknacks and things like that. So all these shelves that are concrete and with a shikun finish. I've talked about that in my other videos about how we love this finish. You don't ever have to paint it. In fact, this wall is shikun as well. We do have some painted walls over here and things. Throughout the house, we have some painted walls, but a lot of it is shikun and all the outside is shikun. And you just have to hose it down once a year or so. So we like that instead of having to be slave for the paint and having to paint everything, we can do this. So it's a built-in. It was actually cheaper than getting the shelf at Sam's Club and having it delivered because it doesn't fit in our guy's car and then having some help putting it together and everything. So this cost about, I think around $500 total to do all this. And so very pleased with it because we want to stick the TV on there, make it the entertainment center and have a good time with that. But that's one of the indoor projects that we just finished. And in fact, I'm going to get some help moving the TV next over there and get it all set up. Thank you for joining me on Expat Rebel. If you're interested in more expat news type of items, I have a weekly newsletter at expatrebel.com. And make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. If you got any comments or questions about this or anything else expat related, please leave a comment. See you guys next time. Bye.